Now, when most people think of monsters, they think of ghosts, demons, and werewolves. But sometimes we look right past the scariest of them all, humans. We're your host Anthony and Amanda Valentine, and here are 3 urban explorations gone wrong. As explorers, sometimes we let our curiosity outweigh our better judgment. We explore places that would be better left undisturbed, and this is a prime example of why we never explore alone. Now, I hear screaming. Amanda swears she hears a whistle. Let us know who you side with.
666 and crosses everywhere. I'm hearing something that sounds like a heartbeat. Listen. I don't know what that is. What the fuck? It's coming from that way.
Following the noises, Frank ends up stumbling upon someone. This is pretty much a huge fear any person would have exploring alone.
But there's some guy just standing out there. And they're walking.
As you can see, this guy isn't acting normal at all. He's walking very slowly, as if stalking someone, which makes this even more terrifying. While trying to get to the exit, not only does Frank spot this guy again, but the guy also spots him, and comes towards him.
Is that a woman? Come on. Oh my god. Yeah, no. Fuck.
Making a break for it, this guy does the first sensible thing, and makes a call for help, which could have very well saved his life.
Hey.
Yeah, hi.
Listen, there's somebody here following me. I just went in here. I'm trying to make this stupid video, and freaking
what?
There's a homeless guy. Go to the spot that I told you to. Just get there as soon as you can, because I'm trying to get there as fast as I can. I'm halfway close there. I just have to pass another neighborhood, and then I should be there. But
oh my god. Okay, I'm going right now.
Hurry up. Hey, go. I don't know. I just want to get him on camera. Like, if I could get a good face shot at this guy, I'm cool with that. Like, I'm good.
Oh my god. What is
That's it. That's him. Or her.
What is he doing?
I don't know. Zoom in here. What the hell?
What the fuck?
That's a dude.
Frank!
Holy shit! No, fuck that!
Oh my god!
I don't know about you, but this whole experience was a Halloween movie in the making. Good thing Frank got out of there when he did. It is always a good idea to have someone to watch your back when exploring desolate places, especially when you decide to explore the abandoned farm of Ray Copeland, a serial killer who murdered his workers in Mooresville, Missouri on that very property.
Even though the Copelands have been caught, these two probably should have searched the property for others before making themselves at home. What they're about to experience could be the spirits of the murder victims or a psycho that decides to have a little fun at their expense.
Friends, I don't want to hurt you.
Oh!
What the
What is that, dude?
Okay. Was that you?
No, I'm right here.
Dude, the door just slammed shut.
Please be joking me.
Oh, dude, look. There's a tunnel. There's like a
Yeah, I looked in there, dude. It's creepy, bro.
I was trying to... Holy shit.
Like, what if that's where he kept these people captive and stuff, man?
Dude, I just
What?
saw something down there. Come here. There's somebody down there. There's something down there.
Dude, the door is moving.
Guys, the door is literally open.
Dude, look, my camera's blurry. My camera's blurry.
Holy fuck.
What the hell? What?
Nothing there?
No.
No animals?
No.
This is creepy, man.
Dude, I just want to get the hell out of this. What the No! This shit, dude. This shit. No.
It sounds like there's somebody upstairs.
Dude, I don't like this.
It literally sounds like there's somebody upstairs.
At first, they think that the rocks are from Mo scaling the decrepit silo. However, you can see in the video that the rocks are being thrown at Mo by an unknown assailant. Judging by the force and trajectory, you can guess their intentions.
Off camera. Rock climbing is not a good idea, kids. Don't do
The ladder is like moving back and forth. Look. See, guys? If you fall.
If I fall right now, I'm dead.
Oh, no doubt.
You know how much? What the fuck was that?
I think something fell.
Well, I don't want nothing to fall right now. I'm on top of the side room.
No, I mean, I think like something fell off the top of it. I'm trying not to freak out down here. What the fuck, dude? What the shit was that?
I don't know.
What the fuck, dude? Are you throwing shit at me?
I'm not throwing a thing.
You swear?
I swear to God, I'm not throwing a thing. Usually when I climb ladders, they're not spaced out as much as this one.
The fuck, man?
Bro, here, take my camera.
Here, get the hell down. Come on, get the hell down.
Sometimes abandoned places are abandoned for a reason. Mo and CJ should have taken the hint and left before things escalated. Unfortunately, they don't realize how serious the situation is until the person stalking them makes his presence known.
A bang.
What the fuck? I'll fucking kill you.
There's somebody here. Bro, we just gotta confront this guy. There is somebody here right now, dude. Just come. Bro,
Fuck that,
you
dude.
gotta confront
No, dude. I'm fucking jumping.
Bro, the only way is to get down the stairs. If he's down there, we have to confront him. How else are we gonna get out of here?
I don't fucking know. Jump. If I hold you.
Jump, he says. It's a high jump. Fuck it. Sir, we don't mean you any harm. We're just explorers.
Oh, fuck, don't say that shit, don't.
Sir? We don't mean you any harm. We're just exploring. We're just making a video.
Fuck this motherfucking shit. I'm jumping.
We don't mean you any harm, but if you want to get tough with me, I'll get tough with you.
Oh, you need to shut the fuck up, dude.
No, fuck that. I ain't gonna let nobody intimidate me. I don't give a f who he is. Sorry for all the swearing, you guys, but...
Holy fuck, guys. I feel like I'm fucking trapped.
Bro! Did they ever catch the serial killer?
I have no idea. Did you read the article?
Yo, I'm telling you right now, bro. If you come up on me,
Mo.
you're not gonna win this. I'm telling you right now.
Mo, stop. Don't. No.
No, I don't care, bro. I'm not gonna let nobody intimidate me. Make all the noise. Just jump, bro. You're not that far off anymore. CJ's literally on the door. There you go. Oh. He just left me? Is this guy for real? He literally just left me.
Guys.
Yo, you don't scare me, buddy.
Oh, dude, don't fucking say this, dude. He's so dumb.
There's nobody here.
Go, go.
Exploring abandoned places could be equal parts scary and fun. Too bad YouTuber HypeMyke's experience was extremely scary and not very fun. At least, not for him.
It becomes pretty clear from early on that he's not alone. from banging behind doors that are sealed shut.
What the f***? What the hell's going on, man? Can you open this? I think it's like busted shut. What the hell? Check that out.
To the sound of large objects being thrown.
What the f*** was that? Guys, that was loud as f***.
He should have gotten out before this escalated any further. But lucky for us, this is about to get much, much worse.
So there's this room over here. I think it's over here. It's like on this side somewhere. What the f***? Yo! Oh!
So let me get this straight. A possible psycho killer on bath salts runs after you, and instead of grabbing your shit and flying out of there like a bat out of hell, you decide to look around for him? It's like this guy never seen a horror movie before.
Hey man, whatever you're doing is not cool, bro. We're...
Now, it's not the fact that he's getting chased, or that this guy keeps cutting him off at every turn. It's the noises that this guy makes as he hunts Mike that sends chills down my spine.
Where'd he go? Oh! Yo! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Luckily for Mike, he never found out what plans this guy had in mind had he caught him.
There's a moral to this story, boys and girls. Don't ever try to do an overnight challenge in an abandoned place by yourself, because you never know who or what could be right around the corner. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to click that like and subscribe button so that we can bring you more creepy content just like this. Also, if you would like to suggest another topic or would like to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments below. Hope to see you next time. Spook you later.
Look at that, guys. It's a wasp. Hey, Mr. Wasp.
He stings you.
Can we be friends? Can we be friends? I don't want to hurt you.